last but not least, it's the hibachi video. I haven't got time to file this down, but as you can see, it needs a little grinding, and it should look like top in here. The last thing I'm gonna be doing for this hibachi video, and I'm gonna piece it all together until it's done, is this. Put some barbecue paint on it, and away you go. So, oh, and it's funny because you might notice, see there's little like ridges. If you look on here, I put a little thing here and a thing here. That wasn't to look pretty, nor was it to even fit in here. That little ridge there was so I can get the punch just a little bit over, so I can get that next row. That's all it was. Sometimes you gotta do a little what you gotta do. And it helped out and did a pretty good job. So that is pretty much what I did. I might have to punch one or two more holes. I did look on Roper Whitney's website, and Roper Whitney has actually they're 48 bucks for, where is it? Well, where that? I just seen it here. Where'd the punch go? Hello, where'd it go? It's just here. Hold on, let me find this. I just had it here. Did it roll away? I just had it in front of me. What the hell happened? Oh, here it is. Anyway, the punch die. Here's the bottom. And here's the top. They're 48 bucks for one of these. And Roper Whitney sells them, which you can get them off their website. And I also found out you can get them from tricktools.com, which has a lot of really trick tools for really tricky prices, like tricky over the frickin'. Don't get me wrong, I'm saying they're overpriced because I can't afford half of them. If I really needed them and wanted them, I probably could save my money and afford them. But there's a lot of high-end, really cool stuff, and there's a lot of, you know, decently priced shit. But some of the stuff you can get a little cheaper other places. So yeah, what was I say? So yeah, I'm going to be ordering a couple more funky dies. I want to order like an X and a Y and maybe an X and O or some shit. So, and also in a couple of weeks, I'm not sure, this is an update video, so I'll send it here. Yeah, so the punches, this is the punch I used basically. It was basically the bottom piece, and you get these little hardened steel things. There's a video out there with that, me doing it. And so I will be putting the whole hibachi thing together. So yeah, stay tuned, like, subscribe, and I'll probably try to piece this together, the other one.